Yo, y'all know who it is. Tony from Stick With Us Delivery Service, man. Today I want to chop it up with you all to let you all know peak season, we here. You know, we in August right now, so a lot of stuff that's going on, they're about to start preparing these stores, start loading these stores up. It's about to be so much freight and packages moved throughout the United States, and you got to be ready for this. I don't even care if you go get a rental. You can go get a rental cargo van, go get a rental box truck. Now, you got to make sure you connected with somebody that can get you loads or hook you up with a certain company to where you can start making this money, because if you just go get a rental, it's not going to be easy, because every company doesn't allow you to use a rental cargo van. Now, if you connected to me, that's different. I got a lot of access, a lot of connections throughout the United States, so that makes things a lot different. I just co-sign for you, I put in a word for you, you get the contracts, you start making money. Especially if you're looking to move freight and you're looking to go over the road, you're looking to go regional and stuff like that. That's why they always say it's not what you know, it's who you know in life. And who you know in life can really change your situation and can change what you got going on. So I always tell people this, man, like right now, we're approaching some really, really good times. And I had two of my mentees call me yesterday. They were so ecstatic, right? Because they got a Sprinter van, and they was like, yo, Tony, man, we finna get the box truck. They're like, we making so much money. We got our MC. I did the MC and the DLT numbers for them, right? They're like, we got our MC. We sat on it for 6 months, and now we've been getting loads from brokers. Now we making so much more money. And I'm like, yeah, you cut out the middleman. Once you cut out that middleman, you're going to see so much more money. Like, because I'm going to be real with you. Like, once you're able to get with brokers, there shouldn't be no reason why you're not getting at least $1 a mile. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Unless you like in a really bad area like Washington State or Oregon or Utah or North Dakota, South Dakota, you know, if you're in like a dead zone, like if you're in Florida or something like that, because Florida, even with a broker, you might get 85 to 90 cents. Depending on the relationship you got with a broker, sometimes you can get $1, but and I'm talking only long distance, anything over 500 miles, just so we clear. I'm not talking about the 100-mile loads, the 200-mile, the 50-mile loads. Yes, we know those loads pay $2, $3, $4 all day long. You know, you can get that type of money, you know, with those type of loads. But I'm talking about anything long distance, where you can start, you know, making money. I just want y'all to understand, like, if you was ever going to get into the industry, like, someone can get in this game right now today. Like, someone can hit me up. I'm put my number 772-362-1777, right? Text ready. You can hit my number, right? You can say, Tony, I need to catch peak season. I really need to get into this ASAP. You know what I'm gonna say? I'm be like, let me know your budget, let me know your credit. You be like, oh, my credit about $650. I said, okay, cool. We'll get the van around $3,000-$5,000 down. We'll get the van. Or if you got the capital to pay the van, then, you know, we'll go to a dealer auction, copy you the van, and now you good to go. You know, clean van, great condition report, all of that type of stuff. But however you want to do it, right? We get the van, right? I'm filming this video is August 9th. I'm filming it, and I normally don't tell y'all the dates, but it's August 9th when I'm filming this video, right? August 9th, right, which is this is a Saturday. You say, Tony, I'm ready. So all throughout the weekend, depending on where you live at and stuff like that, right, I'm going to take you through the process so you can get with the right companies to make the right money. You feel me? I'm about to take y'all all the way through this. And I hope this phone don't die. But I'm going to take y'all through the process so I can get y'all up and running. Once I take you through the process, once I get you up and running, we do the LLC, EIN, you do you go get the business bank account, you go get your TWIC card, you go get everything you need to really run it up. I'm going to give you a contract. You're going to say, yo, Tony, I want to go over the road. Cool. You be like, yo, Tony, I just want to stay in all surrounding states. Okay, cool. We can do all surrounding states. However you want to do it. I got brokers. I got dispatchers. I got shippers. It don't matter how you do it. I'm going to say, yo, bro, I'm finna hook you up one of my plugs. That's what we call the street terminology. We say plugs. Yo, Tony, I'm going to say, I'm going to hook you up with my plug, right? They're going to lace you. They're going to make sure you're good. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to say, yo, this is my people. Like, make sure he good. Make sure he stay rolling. And they make sure you stay rolling. So that's why I be telling people it's so good to be connected with the right people. This game is about your circle. It's about who you got around you. Who you got around you can help you grow, help you get to a whole nother level in life, man. Like, we got to understand your network is your net worth, man. You got to pay attention. You got to. You ever like went and got some free information, got some free knowledge, like when I drop the YouTube videos, right? Some people gonna take the knowledge I give them, they're gonna run with it. Then you got the other people that gonna just look at it. But then you got people, right? They might say, you know what, I want to be mentored. They pay for a mentorship or pay for a consultation or whatever they pay for, right? You find those people pay close attention. They taking notes. What I need to do next? What I need to do? They making. Look, I'm telling y'all, because you don't want to waste your money. I done had 3 mentors. I got a mentor for an online business I had. Actually 2 different ones. And then I got a mentor when it came to scaling up my business and starting my cargo van business. You feel me? So it's like, when you pay that bread, it's different, man. I'm telling you. I ain't finna let my money go to waste. I don't know about y'all, but I'm not gonna let my money go to waste. I know how I move. I know how I am. I can't do it. I'm gonna stand on business every single time. And that's what y'all gotta do. So my YouTube videos, get that knowledge. That's your blueprint. That's your starter kit. When I drop all these videos on YouTube, it's the starter kit. Take the starter kit. Do what you can. If you need more help, then get hands-on training. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with hands-on training. I call that skipping the line. You know when you go to a club and you see the line wrapped around the corner, and you like, dang, you be waiting out there for an hour, 2 hours, and you might get in the club, you might not. It's the same thing with life. You know, when you're trying to seize an opportunity, is you gonna wait in line or you gonna seize your opportunity? You know, that's how life works. I know me, if I'm walking up to the door, I'm skipping the line. I need VIP access. I gotta skip the line. It's only right. It's only right we skip the line. That's real talk. Some people don't know how to drive. Come on, let's go now. But yeah, man, you gotta skip the line, man. So, you know, I just wanted to motivate y'all today, man. I'm gonna drop a whole lot more videos. I got videos I ain't even dropped yet. I'll be dropping those real soon for you all, man. Look, if you need more information, man, tap in with me. Like I said, just text READY to 772-362-1777. The reason I started giving out my number is just too much scammers and fraud going on social media. And so I just wanted to eliminate that. I got like 80 fake accounts on TikTok, which is mind-blowing to me. So my way of eliminating all of this is giving y'all my direct phone number, and that way it eliminate all the BS. That way you got me and me only. I always tell y'all, stick with us, and we truly got you. You heard?